How to restore previous versions in Dropbox. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will have to scroll down and then simply select the file that you want to restore the version. So as an example, I'm gonna open this folder, and then in here, as you can see, I have one file. What I need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then simply tap on these three dots. After that, a pop-up menu will appear. What we need to do is to look for this activity option and then simply tap on this version history. After that, it will automatically show you the list of the versions of that file. In here, you will now see this restore option. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, tap again on the restore option. Once you're done, it will automatically restore the previous version of that file. So that's how easy we can restore previous versions in Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!